Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a tourist visa to Mexico. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when you try to get any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should do is to find out if you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, or even based on other visas that you may have, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine, always check the requirements as per the official embassy, entity, consulate, mission, whichever is covering your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional requirements. For example, let's say you are an Indian citizen and you live in New Delhi. So I have opened Mexico embassy site in New Delhi. Okay. So now under visa section, they have given the information that from April 15th in Mumbai is also taking visa appointments. So if you're contacting there, you have to visit their website. Okay. And if you book appointment at New Delhi office, you have to pay in RBL Bank. Okay. So like directly you have to pay. For holders of US, UK, UK and Schengen visa, please click here. Let's see what's there. I was discussing about this, like if you have a visa for other countries. So they have given some important, if you click on the link first. Oh, I gotta translate. Translate it. National of the following countries. If you have valid and unexpired visa from Canada, US, UK. Okay, so that means if you have these visas, that like if you have like visa for these countries, you do not need a visa. There are some other requirements too. Okay, in which you can escape it. All right. But still, if it does not apply to you, you can come here and check the requirements. So what do you need? Uh, Valid passport and photocopy. Legal passport you have, then that means legal status. Application form, we'll go through that. Photographs, specification given. Original cover letter given by employer. I mean holiday leave, holiday letter if applicable. Original pay slips, last 3 months. Personal cover letter where you can specify your case. Bank statement. Self-employed. Personal income, yeah, ITRC. If you're applying from India, this is applicable to you. Visa fee. In IR, the current exchange rate. Wow. This you can this you can go to the bank and find out. Okay, and for spouses and all, there are other minor requirements. Okay. If you open the form, it looks like this. Seats given Delhi form. Don't worry about this. This is for them. Check the category, like if you're going for visitors, this is what you're gonna select. This is your personal information, including your passport. Additional information about relationship status, address, phone number, purpose and information of your travel, how long you're gonna be, if you have been there before or not, and the supporting documents based on the checklist that we have just gone through, that you're attaching, date and place, signature. So it's pretty simple. Now going back to the site. So after you do that, next step is to book an appointment through this site. We'll go through that and pay the application fee. Okay. Okay, they have given the fee also, where you have to fee, where you have to pay that also. The RBL Bank, they have given the information. Okay. And then if you submit a passport, if everything goes smooth, you can go good. Now book an appointment. Fortunately, I'm not able to get into this page now because of like probably it's temporarily down or there's something issue with my desktop. But yeah, like with this you can do. You got an idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.